is up, guys? It's Killer Cam. We're going to be playing Stickman Fighting 3D. Just now downloaded this game, so let's get started. Since I just now downloaded it, I'm going to put it on easy. So, we're going to do story mode. Alright, so let's get it. I'm going to be this dude, the demon. Cause that dude looks awesome. He's my favorite color, orange. Woo! He got spikes on his arms and everything. And we're about to face this regular Stickman dude. So apparently he's gonna... Oh, snap. I don't even know. Dang. Okay. Yeah. Hey, bro. You going to freak you? Come up, my boy. Look him. In the nuts. In the nuts. Woo. That's yours, my boy. Woo. You made me mad. Ooh, I'm whooping Stickman so hard, guys. Look, I swear, last one, I'm gonna do this. That trick, I'm gonna do that way. Cause that one goes hard, I like that. Freak! Oh, I did it, I didn't know. Fight! Just like in Mortal Kombat. Ah, dang, I missed. Alright, get up, bro. Get up, bro. Beat that boy. Beat that boy. Beat that boy. I'm not gonna let you go, my boy. I'm not gonna let you go. Think you're gonna get away from me? Heck no. Heck no. And look at this. Look at this. Final shot. Knew it. This is my first time playing, and I whooped that boy so hard. What was that? God, dude, you're making me mad. So die. 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 Wow, you thought you was gonna get me. No. We're going against a zombie. Did my move right there. Zombie, I'm just telling you. You suck so bad. Ah, 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 ah. Guys, if you ever played this game, just kept on press 5. You will be killing with this dude right now. Last video I was playing with Kyle. Get up, my boy. Woo! Thought you was gonna get the first hit on me. What you did? Freak you, zombie! Think you will get me? Wow! What a thought! What a thought! Ooh, I'm getting you! And I got my last move on you, my boy. What is... We're fighting Kyle? Alright, let's go. Kyle, I know you got some moves, but thing is, I got better moves than you, my boy. Just telling you that right now. Hey, bruh. Ooh, I'm whooping that boy so hard. Ooh. Round 1. I beat you in round one. I know that. Where did you get that one from? I want that one bad. Freak you, bro. Come on, man. You think you're gonna get away from me, no. Not today. Ooh, I'm finna get you. Woo! Bitch, yo town. Thought you was gonna get me with that. No, no. You just think so bad. Oh my god, you about to die here, my boy. You're my brother, but still, we have different traits. So, I don't know what you think you're gonna do. Freeze me or something, but boy, I will throw you into my lava, bro. I am beating your butt, bro. You just told me. You wanna fight at my house, bro. You not finna. It's going down, bro. It's going down. I'm whooping your butt so hard, my boy. You think you're gonna get away from me? Ah, I told you I'm gonna throw you. I will whoop that butt, bro.
Are you gonna be able to get? You got plates on there. Are you gonna be able to get a phone call on that phone?
I am whooping you so hard. Ooh, that's gonna be my last move. This is my last move. Alright guys, I got one last lap with Cyber, and then that's it guys. And then we gotta put this stuff on YouTube. Ooh, I'm whooping him so hard. Hey my boy, Cyber, you're not invisible. I can still see you. You look like the internet when it's glitching, my boy. Ooh, I'm whooping you so hard. Get you. Get you over there, my boy. You getting off my nerves, bro. You getting off my nerves, bro. And I'm a homeless man. What's wrong with you, bro? Freak you, bro. Get up. Crash. Bang, bang, crash. It's like this. Like Chief Keef, my boy. Bang, bang. Just crash, crash. Ooh, bring that butt here, boy. Get away from me. You just did my boy. Freak you, man. That's my payback. That's my payback, bro. Alright, guys. Subscribe. Like, comment, anything you want. Peace out.